Hello, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. I am your subject teacher of social study of LPM Public School, and today I am going to discuss and explain about the worksheet of chapter number 17. Chapter name is Rules for Road Safety. So, students, your chapter name is Rules for Road Safety. It means in this chapter you have study about the certain rules for road safety. And first of all, let's have a quick overview on the chapter number 17 once again, because the whole worksheet of chapter 17 depend upon this chapter. So start and quick overview on the chapter 17 once again. So students, rules for road safety means road safety rules help us to stay safe on the road, because road safety rules help us to stay safe on the road. And you have already learned some safety rules in class first and second, and in this lesson you will learn some more, because now you are in third standard, and in class third you will learn some more rules for road safety. So students, what is the right value? We should not only follow traffic rules ourselves. So students, we should not only follow traffic rules ourselves, but also help others to do so. For instance, if you spot a blind person, if you see a blind person trying to cross the road, help the person by offering to hold their hand on the stick. So, student, this is the right value of this chapter. And how to cross the road? I think you already know that we should always cross a road at the zebra crossing, and we should never run while crossing a road. So student, what you do when zebra crossing is not available at place? So first of all, you should find a safe place to cross the road, and after that you should look right, then left, and then right again to see if the road is clear, then you can cross the road. And there are certain traffic lights, and I think everyone knows that, and you already know that traffic light are in three colors: green, yellow, and red. Vehicles can move when the traffic light is green. They slow down and prepare to stop when it turns yellow, and finally to stop when the light is red. So these are the light for vehicles. These light are for vehicles, and there are traffic signal for people as well. First one is green man signal. It means this light indicate that we can cross the road. And second one is red man signal. It means we need to wait and we cannot cross the road at the time. And when we need any help on the road, then we can either talk to the traffic police or call the traffic helpline number. So student, I hope you all are understood about this chapter, and it is the quick overview. And now come on the worksheet. Come on the worksheet. So look at the first exercise. Mark the following sentences as true or false. It means in this exercise you have to give answer according to the given statement. If your statement is right, then your answer will be true, and if your statement is wrong, then your answer will be false. So now look at the first statement. We cannot cross a road if there is no zebra crossing. Is this statement is right or wrong? This statement is wrong, because if there is no zebra crossing, then we can cross the road also, because first of all we should find a safe place to cross the road. Before crossing we should look right, then left, and then right again to see if the road is clear, then we can cross the road. So your first statement is wrong and your answer will be false, and you have to write false at this given box. Now look at the second number. While crossing, we should listen attentively for the sound of vehicles. Is this statement is right or wrong? This statement is right, because so student, at the time of crossing, it is important to be alert on the road, and we should not only look but also listen attentively for the sound of vehicles coming from any direction, and we can often hear them before we can see them. So your second statement is right and your answer will be true, and you have to write true at this given box. Now look at the third number. Traffic light signal are only meant for vehicles. Is this statement is right or wrong? This statement is wrong, because traffic light signal are for people as well. There are two traffic light signals for people. First one is green man signal and second one is red man signal. So your statement third is wrong and your answer will be false, and you have to write false at this given box. Look at fourth. On the road, we can seek help from the traffic police. So is this statement is right or wrong? This statement is right, because when we need help on the road, then we can take help from traffic police. So you have to write true at this given box, and here true is already written. Now come on the question and answer. Come on, exercise second. Your exercise second is answer the following question. It means in this exercise, you have to give answer according to the given questions. So now look at the question number 1. How can we cross a road where there is no zebra crossing? So your answer is, at places where a zebra crossing is not available, we should find a safe place to cross the road, and after that we should look right and then left and then right again. Look at question number 2. How should we check if it is safe to cross the road? How can we check? So your answer is, we can check by look right, then left and then right again to see if the road is clear, then it is safe to cross the road. Now look at question number 3. What should we do when we need help on the road? So what should we do? What should we do? So student, your answer is, we can either talk to the traffic police or call the traffic helpline number if we need any help on the road. Look at question number 4. How and why should we use our ears to be safe on the road? So your answer is, we should use our ears to be safe on the road by listen attentively for the sound of vehicles coming from any direction. Now look at question number 5. Your question number 5 is, draw the traffic light signals meant for people and write what each of them stand for. So students, in this question they're asking about the traffic light signals for people and write each of them stand for. So student, there are two traffic light signals for people. First one is green man signal, second one is red man signal. Here you can see, this is the picture of green man signal, and green man signal indicate that we can cross the road. Green man signal indicate that we can cross the road at the time. Now this is the second and red man signals, and red man signal indicate that we need to wait and we cannot cross the road at the time. So student, these signals for peoples. So I hope you all are understood about the worksheet of chapter number 17, and you have to done the worksheet of chapter number 17 in your CW copy. This is your today's homework. So that's all, and thank you.